In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and place a callout view in Revit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to highlight a specific area of your model, generate a dedicated view for it, and get that view onto a sheet for documentation. Start by opening the view where you want the callout to live. This can be a floor plan, a section, an elevation, whatever context best shows the area you want to focus on. Think of a callout as a zoomed-in snapshot of a region within that parent view, so choose the view that gives you the clearest starting point. Next, head to the View tab on the ribbon. This is where Revit keeps tools for creating and managing views. In the Create panel, click Callout. Once you activate the tool, your cursor is ready to draw the boundary of the callout. You're essentially telling Revit, this is the area I want to enlarge and detail. Click once to set the first corner of the callout boundary. This first click anchors one corner of a rectangle. It helps to think ahead about how much context you want around the area. Leaving a bit of extra room can make the resulting view easier to read. Now drag and click again to set the opposite corner. That second click defines the full rectangular boundary, and that rectangle becomes the region you're calling out. Take a moment to position it cleanly over the exact portion of your model that needs more attention, such as a stair landing, a wall intersection, or a facade portion. As soon as you place the boundary, Revit automatically creates a new callout view. You'll find it in the project browser, nested under the parent view it came from. This linkage helps keep your documentation organized so you always know where the callout originated. If the default name isn't clear enough, rename the callout view by right-clicking it in the project browser and choosing Rename. Use a descriptive title that matches your documentation standards, like the area or detail you're highlighting, to make navigation straightforward for the whole team. Finally, place the callout view on a sheet just like any other view. Open your sheet, then drag the callout view from the project browser onto the sheet canvas. Position it where it fits best with your layout, keeping consistency with your other views for a clean, professional set. That's all there is to